When you search for the best cordless drills for home use, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to find what truly works for your projects, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, DeWalt 20-volt Max Combo Kit. First up is the DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. Priced at $202.10, it's a bit of an investment. But if you want power and versatility, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, which means you can work for hours without interruptions. With 1,700 inch-pounds of torque and 2,800 RPM on the impact driver, it's perfect for both drilling and fastening tasks. The ergonomic design is a game changer for those long projects, minimizing fatigue. Plus, the built-in LED lights ensure you can see what you're doing, even in dimly lit spaces. It's no wonder over 10,000. Product number 2, high-spec electric screwdriver. Next, we have the high-spec electric screwdriver, priced at just $25.41. Honestly, I was surprised at how compact and cute this pink tool is. If you want an easy-to-use screwdriver for basic tasks, this is worth a serious look. This tool features a 3.6-volt rechargeable battery that's USB powered, so you can easily charge it anywhere. At 180 RPM, this screwdriver is perfect for light assembly tasks and general repairs around the house. It comes with 23 interchangeable bits, making it ideal for various screws you might encounter. It's lightweight at just 0.7 pounds, which is fantastic for quick jobs without the bulk of a traditional drill. Though it's not meant for drilling, it shines for quick fixes and assembly. Now, some reviews mentioned that the battery life can be a bit short for extensive use, but here's the thing. For quick household tasks, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you often assemble furniture or need a handy tool for quick repairs. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty tasks, but at this price, it's a great addition to your toolkit. Product number 3, DeWalt 20-volt Max Drill Driver Set. Coming in at $227.53, the DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Drill Driver Set caught my eye with its brushless motor, which means longer runtime and less maintenance. If you want a reliable drill for various applications, this is worth a serious look. This drill delivers a maximum rotational speed of 1,500 RPM, making it perfect for both drilling and driving tasks. Its compact design means you can fit it into tight spaces, and the ergonomic grip ensures you can work for extended periods without discomfort. Plus, the integrated LED light is a lifesaver in dimly lit areas, helping you see exactly what you're doing. With thousands sold in the past month, it's clearly a favorite. Now, some users found the price a bit steep compared to other options, but here's the thing. The quality and performance you get with this drill make it worth every penny if you're serious about your projects. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable drill for home improvement and DIY jobs. Skip this if you want a budget option, but the value here is quite strong. Product number 4, DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Drill Driver Set, priced at $138.55. If you're looking for a solid, budget-friendly drill for home use, this is worth a serious look. This drill features a high-performance motor that delivers 300 unit watts out, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. With its 2-speed transmission, you can easily switch between low-speed drilling and high-speed driving. The 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides a secure grip on your bits, preventing slippage during use. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, so you can maneuver it easily. It's no wonder this model has over 3,000 sold this past month. Now, some users mentioned that it doesn't handle heavy-duty tasks like drilling into concrete very well. But here's the thing. For general home repairs and DIY projects, it performs exceptionally. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner looking to tackle various light to medium projects. Product number 5, Pulituo's 20-volt Cordless Drill Driver, which comes with a comprehensive 34-piece drill kit. The price isn't listed, but it's been popular, with over 3,000 sold recently. If you want an all-in-one solution for home projects, this is worth a serious look. This drill features a powerful 20-volt motor and 2 batteries, ensuring you always have backup while working. With a torque of 266 inch-pounds and 21 adjustable settings, it gives you precision and control that's hard to beat. It also comes with LED illumination to help you see in tight spaces, which is super helpful. It's designed for both beginners and pros, making it versatile for all skill levels. Now, some people pointed out that the LED light can be overly bright in certain situations, but honestly, that's a minor issue.
To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options: the powerful DeWalt combo kit, the cute and compact high-spec screwdriver, the reliable DeWalt drill driver set, the budget-friendly DeWalt drill, and the all-in-one Polito kit. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your needs carefully. Happy drilling!